this National Children's Month, we celebrate every child's voice, courage, and dreams. At Fun Life, we call them our Batang Champions, children empowered through play, learning, and hope. Fun Life creates safe and inclusive spaces where children can learn, play, and thrive. Every session builds confidence, leadership, and a belief that every child deserves opportunity.
Pagkuhan po, pagdisiplina at atong kalugaring para diri po kita mabaliwaray, tas maging maupay atong kinabuhi halas.
Yan na parang ang tungod na mga lessons nga gintudwa amon damon ako nabaruan tas yan na mo pinatakon kuan diri na gud ako naginaw dunon tas akong mga coaches pero what naragin mo motivate, which is I love that kay parang nakukuha nita akong sarili akong self confidence na boost.
Nagtitikad ako bagan nakikilala ko na tak sarili, nakikilala ko na kung ano tak makakaya, bagan nagkukuha ko na gapon na suitable job itak makukuha ha in the future. Tapos in amoy pagiging flight attendant kay usag gihap na kuan ko kay ang pagiging hataas. Bagan na-inspire ba na makakaya ko talaga makuha na job.
When children are supported, their dreams grow stronger and their futures become brighter. National Children's Month reminds us children have the right to be protected, the right to education, the right to play, and the right to dream without limits. With every session, Fun Life empowers children to lead, to persevere, and to believe in their potential. They are not just learners. They are future leaders, mentors, and change makers.